Okay, so welcome back to the final day of this week, and the plan remains same: a brutal leg session inlined. And today the focus will not be on a dedicated muscle group of the lower body, that is quads or could be hamstrings or glute focused. So this is actually going to be a very complete type of approach according to the mindset of today's before pre-lifting. It's going to be a compound focused one, यानी कि स्क्वाट्स, आरडीएल्स, हिप थ्रस्ट में भी, या फिर बल्गेरियन स्प्लिट स्क्वाट्स. So these are the movements in my mind today to get through the complete lower body. And talking about calves, that is the most demanding muscle groups currently we have now, where we need to improve a lot. लेकिन बात करें अगर अभी इस सो कॉल्ड कट फेस की या फिर श्रेड सीजन की, so it's the time to reveal whatever the progress we have made so far in the last bulk phase. और ये तो काफ़ी ऑब्वियस है कि काफ्स में और ओवरऑल क्वाड्स, हैमस्ट्रिंग्स, कंप्लीट लोअर बॉडी में हमने काफ़ी प्रोग्रेस बनाई है, लेकिन वो ड्यूरिंग द बल्क इतनी ज़्यादा विजिबल नहीं हो रही थी. एंड जहाँ जहाँ भी हमने प्रोग्रेस बनाई थी वो कहीं भी इतनी ज़्यादा विजिबल नहीं होती है. इसीलिए देयर इज़ दिस पार्ट ऑफ कट फेज टू रिवील दैट. Well, talking about the differences of the approaches between high volume and the high intensity with low volume, which I have followed both of them, what I felt was when I had more working sets, I actually had a better pump. But in this high intensity sort of process, आई डोंट फील लाइक कि बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फ्लेशन है हमारे मसल ग्रुप्स में जो भी हमने ट्रेन करें, लेकिन फिर भी द काइंड ऑफ फटीग टू स्टिमुलस रेशियो इज काइंड ऑफ वेरी हाई. तो अननेसेसरी हमें बहुत ज़्यादा कोई काम करना नहीं पड़ता है बनाने के लिए जितनी हम हाई वॉल्यूम में बना सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग I have found so far. अगर 1.5 hour का वर्कआउट 30 to 45 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट हो सकता है, so why do people think like it's not productive? The saving of time is all one should be wanting, because that the saved time should be used as the recovery. And talking about making progress, recovery is more important than literally training. तो आज के लिए it is going to be a complete leg session, so I think no more talking. Let's get it started. Alright, so end of the session, and legs are completely destroyed, and especially talking about the calves, which I don't think has been recorded for today's session, but we started with calves itself, and it was seated calf raises with 3 working sets, and there wasn't any need of another variation. We got it done with the perfect kind of execution till the failure. And talking about quads and hamstrings, तो आज के लिए स्क्वाट्स है फ्री वेट पे, जैसे कि पहले सेशंस में होते थे, ब्रूटल लेकिन कंट्रोल्ड रेपिटेशंस. अगेन इट वाज 2 वर्किंग सेट्स. सिमिलरली गोस आइडियल्स टू. तो रोमानियन डेडलिफ्ट के अगेन of the squats and the ideals. And talking about the isolation work, तो quads के लिए भी leg extensions के 2 सेट और hamstring के लिए भी hamstring lying curl के 2 सेट. So it was on same machine, so there wasn't any kind of setup thing we needed so far. और यहीं पे just after posing, what I did was 2 working sets of hanging leg raises for abdominals, and not just abdominals, there are hip flexors which are into the play more than abs. It is not just about the abs which I need to do some work, but for the core engagement too. तो ज़रूरी ये है कि कोर का स्ट्रॉन्ग होना, ना कि हर समय विजिबल एब्स का होना. इट कम्स डाउन टू बी अ लाइक वेरी फंक्शनल बॉडी. और otherwise, if we have to just work on our abs, it could be physically looking good in a physique, but there is a possibility that we can have a weaker midsection, which means weak core, which equals to weaker lifts, especially compounds. Squats, bench presses, deadlifts would be a compromise with a weaker midsection. So thing is not just to train for just aesthetical purpose. We have to be strong in certain manner that it helps to reach the goal of certain physical standards. I think that is a kind of motivation and thought process for the rest of our days into this shred season. Now time for today is a post-workout meal to refuel the lost glycogen and the resources in this brutal leg day. तो अभी चलते हैं फिर सीधे घर पे और मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट सेशन के साथ.